The fact that people knowingly know, they don't want to come to Christ because they know that they're going to have to change their lifestyle. They know that what they're doing right now is not of God. They know if they come to God, they will have to surrender it. That's why a lot of people be like, oh, I don't want to follow God right now. Oh, I don't got time for God right now. God could wait for me. Da, 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 da. Because they still want to indulge in the worldly things. They still want to have fun. They still want to be young and turnt. They still want to do all the things that is not of God. But they know once they start following God, once they start reading the word, they see so much people's life get transformed following God. How they think that drinking and smoking and partying is the go-to, and it's really not the go-to once you fully surrender your life to Christ. People don't really want to follow Christ, not only of the Christian hurt and church hurt, because they know that they would have to give up the worldly things that they do not want to give up. That's the reason why. They know once they follow Christ, they're going to have to surrender everything that they thought was godly and it was worldly this whole time.